Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Next.js with Auth0 login and logout, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a new Next.js application. Use the command npx create next app at latest your app name in your terminal. Navigate into your project directory with cd your app name. Install the Auth0 SDK for Next.js by running npm install at auth0/nextjs auth0. Create a new file named .env.local in the root of your project. Add your Auth0 credentials to this file. You'll need the auth0 domain, auth0 client ID, and auth0 client secret. You can find these values in your Auth0 dashboard under the Applications section. Create a new folder called pages/api/auth. Inside this folder, create a file named auth0.js. This file will handle all the authentication routes. Import the init auth0 function from auth0/nextjs auth0 at the top of the new file. Configure it with your Auth0 settings. Use init auth0 domain process.env.auth0 domain client ID process.env.auth. Next, create the necessary authentication routes using the provided methods. For login, use auth0.handleLogin, req, res. For logout, use auth0.handleLogout, req, res. For the callback, use auth0.handleCallback, req, res, success, redirect to. Now, create a new file in the pages directory named api/auth/callback.js. This will handle the callback after a user logs in. In this file, import the same init auth0 function. Use the auth0.handleCallback method as discussed earlier. Next, create your login and logout buttons in your application's UI. In a component file, import useUser from auth0/nextjs auth0/client. Use const user error is loading equals useUser to track the user state. Create a button that calls auth0.login when clicked. Create another button to call auth0.logout when you want the user to log out. Use user. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.